it's Lyndon and thank you so much for coming to my channel. In today's video I want to have a look at high notes on the saxophone. Palm key D, E flat, E, F and F sharp, and make sure that we've got those down because I'm going to be showing you some tutorials on tunes and these tunes that I want to look at are really sort of big, fat, famous tunes, namely Baker Street for the alto. I've got some nice ones for the tenor too, but Baker Street for the alto, Careless Whisper for the alto, and Take 5 for the alto, one of my all-time favourite songs, drove me on to want to be able to play the saxophone. So, and with all of those tunes, you need to be able to hit the palm keys. So I just want to make sure that I'm just doing my due diligence in making sure that I've explained where the palm keys are so that I can refer you back to this video when that time comes. So the first high note that we need is palm key D, and that is going to be this cluster of 3 palm keys on the left hand side. It's actually the one nearest my body, so it's this one here. And I think if you just imagine your hand resting on G, the part where your hand would naturally come into contact, that's the bit of your hand that you use. So bearing in mind everybody's hand is a different shape, this is the part of my hand that it fits into best. Then the next one from D is just to simply add the one above it. All of these have got the octave key on, by the way. So you've got palm key D and E flat. That's the one above. And then if I want to hit E, I'm going to look at these 3 side keys down here, and it's the top one. So you've got D, E flat and E. And then if I want to make a high F, I'm going to hit my last finger on this, the only palm key that I'm not currently pressing down, which is this one here, and hit that one. And that's high F. And now if your saxophone has got an F sharp, which it may or may not have, that is going to be located just here. And it may be a different shape to the shape that you can hopefully see here on my saxophone. And I'm going to hit that with my ring finger and add that one on as well. So D, E flat, E, F and F sharp. And that would sound like this. Now there is an alternative F, and that on this particular saxophone, if I hold a G, can you see this pearl above where my fingers are? And on your saxophone that might be a pearl, or it might be a metal teardrop shape. On the more modern saxophones, this is quite an old saxophone now, that one will be a teardrop. And then this is the way that it was explained to me. So imagine that you're holding a G, take out your middle finger and move everything up, still with the octave key on. Now you don't need any other palm keys, any other side keys, just those 2 together, and that will give you F. And that's actually quite handy, stops you from having to hit all of these keys. You can just go to there. So that is actually quite useful. So that is all of the high notes on the saxophone. So I hope that's useful for you, the high notes on the saxophone. Thank you so much for the comments that keep motivating me to make this content. Thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate it. If you do want to support the making of these videos, you can buy us a coffee, and then you can imagine me and my wife dancing around our house. Actually, we do have a little dance. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.